2020 Porsche 911 Carrera S Coupe is a remarkable blend of heritage and modern engineering. With its distinctive silhouette, the car retains the classic 911 charm while showcasing updated design elements that enhance aerodynamics and style.
How do you open it when you're coming with a lot of luggage and you can't go to your front? How do you do it? Go this way. One slide. Then your Porsche you can put in. So there are a lot of things you can do, like me entering this space. I can fit. Imagine Jolly riding in front like this, but the driver can actually see it. So I like the way the car is styled. It really has a nice wide side over here. Now look at this side. It really sticks in. If you want to open it, you put your hand on it with the key, then it slides out. Then once you open it, there we go. Also has a really nice frameless door. Then we come all the way to the back. Now this side has the spoiler that comes up. You can activate it with the button inside. And also, now look at the way they've done the whole styling with this. Now this is carbon fiber. Secondly, now this part also directs air into the spoiler and gives you some good form of downforce. The cool thing that everybody loves about this Porsche Carrera is that the tail lights that light up from one end to another is really beautiful. Another thing is that your brake light is also on this side.
Now quick education. The 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera S is actually a 992 generation also. You know why? Because right behind you see on the left side you have 9 lines, on the right side you also have 9, and in the middle the brake lights signify 2, so that's 992. Cool, right?
Let's take some time also to appreciate how beautiful the car is and how low it is, because the whole car is almost like this. And it's almost similar to the Lusso that I just reviewed. The link is up.
Under the hood, the 3.0-litre twin turbocharged flat-6 engine produces an impressive 443 horsepower, enabling rapid acceleration from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission offers similar shift, making both everyday driving and spirited jaunts equally thrilling.
Now this car tells you that, hey, you can't service me until you're a professional, because this is all they give you when it has to do with the engine for the practical user. So it gives you 2 fans that always stay on every time you're driving the car, because this car really gets hot. So now this is a 3.0-litre engine and it has exactly written over here. Now the only things you get in this car when you get to the engine bay is your engine oil and then your coolant. That's the 2 things you get. I mean, it's really nice when it's like an occasion car, like you get here and you see it like this, so beautiful like this. But now imagine if like you're a practical user, you can't go all the way down there, you can't really service the car, because you can either do it from below or you take off your spoiler.
Inside, the cabin is a luxurious haven featuring high-quality materials and a driver-focused layout. The infotainment system is intuitive, integrating seamlessly with smartphone connectivity while offering a range of advanced features.
Alright, so now my favorite part of the car, or second favorite part of the car, that's the cockpit. I love this car because it's very user-oriented and it's very driver-oriented. Other type of high trims give you different type of driving dials on it, but then since this is just the S, it gives you just one to give you your driving mode on it. Another thing I love about it is how it has the curved screens in here that shows you different signs, and then you can actually change it from here. This really feels like a cockpit. I like this. Perfect. I like the fact that they just tried to like give a lot of minimal things and they kept the whole design moving through it, because this is your gear selector that gives you the reverse, neutral, and then drive, and then your park and your manual buttons are separate buttons on the side. And then also it gives you the chance to have like, man, it feels like you're in a jet. They have some buttons that are also in there that only lights up when the car is on, but then you find those buttons also as physical buttons on the side. I love the fact that this car has a lot of physical buttons, but also represented in the really beautiful touchscreen that we have here. And the steering wheel, really nice. Premium stuff in here. This is really nice and premium. Now, another thing I love about it is this dial over here that's really nice. So this is your clock. Now talk about headroom. The headroom is really beautiful. In the back, I don't know who they're trying to put in the back, but it's really tight in there. That's how the key looks like. Really beautiful. I like the whole idea that they tried to make the key to look like the car. Now you get into this car, this key comes in here, then foot on the brake. So this is already towards the left. You turn it this way, now everything ignites, then
handling is a standout aspect. The Carrera S provides exceptional grip and feedback, making it a joy on winding roads. The adaptive suspension enhances comfort without sacrificing performance, allowing a smooth ride even on a less than perfect surfaces.
for comfort, I like the way this car is because, I mean, for my height and everything, nobody sits behind me. I can be very comfortable in this car. This car comes with bucket seats, which don't really feel like bucket seats, but then they are really shaped. Even like the car key. Now, foot on the brake, says 0 to 60, and let's go. The car's getting off! Wow! Alright, handling is really nice. When I floored it before, I had a bit of some body roll, but I mean the car is still brilliant. I mean your different seats recognitions in there, so it comes and gives you all the way to memory 3. I mean, I like the dial. Everything on this car is so beautiful. I now understand why people have shirts saying I need money to buy a Porsche, because I definitely need money to buy a Porsche. And this is just the 911 Carrera. I'm sure like the 911 GT 3RS and all of those cars are really beautiful to drive.
Overall, the 2020 Porsche 911 Carrera S Coupe is a stunning sports car that delivers an exhilarating driving experience combined with everyday practicality. It's a true embodiment of the Porsche spirit, perfect for both enthusiasts and casual drivers alike.
Put a car in drive, push the start, ain't no keys, cause girl make them freeze, definitely a car we're driving. You want me to go fast?
This is Tessa, CJ, and Strada. CJ loves Lamborghinis, and Tessa, I guess she just wants to go fast.
Fast? You like it? That's nice?
Yeah, we are going faster when you're late.
You're going faster when you're late.
Yes.
Should I come and pick you in this today?
Yes.
Do you want the Lamborghini?
Yes.
You don't like this one again?
I like this one.
You like this one? And always wear your seatbelt. You wear your seatbelt. That's good. So we are almost at school.
Go faster.
I make them freeze, definitely a car we're driving like whoa. Whip so low, nitros on go. You ready for the show? Let's go. If it ain't in the show, it's not worth driving. If it ain't in the show, it's not worth driving.
If it's not worth on the show, it's not worth driving. If you want to go to cruise Ferrari, then Bugatti.
You ain't never seen a show like this before. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Rev it up, rev it up. Just cars we're driving. Rev it up, rev it up. Just cars we're driving.
Talk to your boy Strada, make him do one on Uber cars.